In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extensions in Firefox. Extensions are a great way to add new features and customize your Firefox browsing experience. Whether you want to block ads, manage passwords, improve productivity, or personalize the appearance of your browser, Firefox offers a large collection of extensions to choose from. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find and add extensions to your Firefox browser. To begin, open the Mozilla Firefox browser on your computer. Once Firefox has launched, look toward the upper right corner of the browser window and click the menu button, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu, where you can access various browser settings and features. From the menu, click on Settings. After the Settings page opens, scroll down until you find the option labeled Extensions and Themes, then click it to open Firefox's add-on management page. When the page opens, you'll notice several tabs, including Recommendations, Extensions, Themes, and Plugins. To browse browser extensions, click on the Extensions tab. Here you'll find a selection of recommended extensions that you can explore. If you see an extension that you'd like to use, click the Add to Firefox button next to it. Firefox will begin adding the extension to your browser. Depending on the extension, you may be asked to review the permissions it requires before confirming the addition. Once you approve the request, the extension will be added to Firefox and will be ready to use. If the extension you're looking for isn't listed among the recommendations, you can search for it instead. Use the search feature to enter the name of the extension if you already know what you're looking for. Firefox will open the add-ons page where you can browse matching results and choose the extension that best meets your needs. You can also explore extensions by category if you're looking for a specific type of functionality. Categories such as alerts and updates, appearance, and download management make it easier to discover extensions designed for particular tasks. Simply select a category, browse the available options, and open the extension that interests you. When you find one you'd like to use, choose the option to add it to Firefox and complete the confirmation process. After the extension has been added, you can begin using its features right away. Most extensions can also be managed later through the Extensions and Themes page if you want to adjust their settings or remove them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.